Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Cami. Welcome to my channel and especially to this video. You guys, this is a video that I am doing after probably a month of not filming anything for YouTube. And that is because I have been in the middle of moving. And since I am now in my new home, I'm very excited about it. My lighting situation, my setup is still in progress. So you'll see shadows and things like that back here, but I'm working with what I have and it is still really hot in Los Angeles. I've just been, wearing the items that allow my skin to breathe and things like that, and I thought this was really fun. I remember in moving that I had all these boxes like set aside that I didn't want to like open up and take things out of because I knew I was just gonna have to move the items to my new house. And now that we are in my new house, I really want to open up these boxes and see what the heck I ordered. So this is what happens. All right guys, so let's go ahead and open up this box of Sephora items. I am so excited. Okay, did it get darker in here? Oh gosh, I'm sorry guys, I'm trying to get it together. Okay, so let's get started. This is the Sephora box that was over there. Okay, you know what it was? It was the Sephora VIB sale. That's when I bought stuff from Sephora. Did I use my points? Gosh, I don't even know. I always get nervous when I watch other people open boxes. I'm like, oh my gosh, why are the scissors so close? Be careful. Okay, oh my gosh. I'm super excited about this. All right, ooh, okay. Let's see. All right, oh, this must have been a sample. So I got some sort of Cora. So I've got this Cora sample of, what is this? Organics Turmeric Brightening and Exfoliating Mask. I need that. I cannot wait to like mask. Oh gosh, okay, so what is this? So this is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Bronzer. So I ended up getting this. Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. This is the color Teddy. Let's open it up and see. I hope it's not too dark in here. It seems dark. All right, so this is the color Teddy. I think I was like wondering if this was gonna be the right shade for me. I'm so excited to use this. I heard that this is a very good product. So I've got my bronzer. How much was that? Okay, let's look at my receipt page because I don't really remember how much I paid for anything. What? No prices on here. I love the rose gold packaging. Yes, I cannot wait to use this. And yeah, I just matched myself on the computer, guys. I'm just gonna dip into the bronzer. Oh, okay. Maybe I could have gone a little bit darker. So hopefully it works for me. I will let you know if this works for me down in the comments. So that's cool. And then what is this? This is a sample of a Wishful product. This is the Pineapple Enzyme Yo Glow Enzyme Scrub. Okay, brightening. I must have chosen these samples myself because I need all sorts of brightening, scrub, mask items. I need both of these like in my life right now. Okay, so then what is this? Okay, let me know if you've ever heard of RMS or if you use RMS, but this is the RMS Beauty Lost Angel Ethereal Collection. So I've got a set of 3 items in here. So this is I've got Lost Angel Pressed Blush here, the Midnight Hour Luminizing Powder. This is the Lost Angel Colored Lip to Cheek. So you can use that for your lips as well as your cheeks. So on your cheeks, it'll be sort of like a balmy glow, but with color. Oh gosh, that's so creamy. And it's like a clear balm. Like honestly, it's clear. Like it's not really, I can't see that showing up on my cheeks at all, so I'm really just gonna have to use this as a balm. Passion Lane Tinted Daily Lip Balm. Yes, oh, that's this over here, right here. Oh, that is like a balm formula. It's not as like glidey as the lip to cheek. I just got staple pieces. I just wanted basics because I've never used this brand myself and I'm super excited to try that out. Again, I'm gonna put the price on the screen for you. Pat McGrath has had her beauty line for like over 2 years, I think, and I had not bought anything. And I thought, you know what? At this Sephora VIB sale, this is time for me to buy something. And I decided to go with a lipstick. So what did I get? Matte Trance 107. Let's open her up. Okay, so Pat McGrath is like old school makeup artist, worked on tons of supermodels. Well, there weren't tons, there were just a handful. And I don't even think there is a supermodel at the moment. Is there? Or was Giselle the last one? I think she was the last one, like, and I'm fine with that because I'm such a Giselle stan over here. But anyway, I don't even know if they got to work together, but Pat McGrath's beauty line has just been something that I have been lusting over. I couldn't resist. I think that this lipstick was on sale. And which one is this again? This is the Obsessive Opulence in Matte. So I picked up this lipstick. I cannot wait to try it out. It comes in this super cute lipstick case. All right, so we've got, ooh, this is weighty. It feels luxe. It looks luxe too. So this is the Ami color, or oh my, oh gosh. Oh, wow. Okay, so it looks suede. You know how suede has that like gray fur looking, I don't know, just like halo around it? It looks like that. Can you see it? Okay, this looks like a good nude. The reason I got this is because it looks like it's gonna be a good nude for me. I don't even want to swatch it. Oh my gosh, this is how I get. This is why I don't shop and buy new nice things very often, because I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to mess it up. Gosh, I need to get over that. Okay, I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna swatch it. Oh, I don't want to swatch it. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. Pat. Oh my gosh, I don't want to. Doesn't smell like anything. It's really nice. This is like not your average lipstick. It's like rounded. You know how there's like think of most lipsticks as like the pointy toe heel. This is not a pointy toe heel. This is like, it's got some body to it. Okay, okay, enough, let's go. Oh, okay. And I thought this was gonna be like a nude, but this is like, this reminds me of my favorite lip liner by Sephora. I use Creme de la Creme. This is close to the Creme de la Creme color. It's a little bit more rose. Oh, I'm excited to try this on the lips. Ugh, that's pretty. Oh gosh. Again, putting the prices on the screen. Okay, so what is this? Was this, I don't know. I don't remember buying this. Did I buy this? Weightless liquid mineral sunscreen with zinc oxide, SPF 30, broad spectrum, oil-free, non-comedogenic, safe for sensitive skin by First Aid Beauty. So I bought a sunscreen. Oh my gosh. I remember, was I hearing about First Aid Beauty a lot? I think I was. Oh, it's tiny. I was not expecting it to be tiny. Wait, is this a sample or did I pay for this? I cannot remember. This is 8 milliliters. Is this, oh, it's not white. It's like brown. Did I buy my color? I'm so confused right now. This doesn't smell like typical sunscreen. Also, I think it's gonna go on clear no matter what your skin tone is. I don't think this is like a color, a skin tone color that I chose. Oh, let's try. Yeah, I don't see anything. So this is good to take with you if you are traveling. If you burn on the nose a little bit, a little swipe here will help you. When I do burn, I tend to burn like at the top of my shoulders. So this is perfect for that. Also, I think I just wanted to try a new sunscreen. I think I really do remember now that I had been hearing a lot about First Aid Beauty and how their sunscreen is amazing. So I wanted to try it out. So this is the last product in the box. Oh my gosh. Okay, so you guys, I had been hearing about the Oola skincare line, the Banana Bright line. It comes in like orange and yellow packaging, and they have it at Sephora. You can buy it online, you can buy it on Instagram. I wanted to get something that was specifically for my skin. You can see it like on my cheeks and things like that. So I have textured skin, oily skin, and I wanted something to control the oil, and I saw that Oola had the Balance It All set, and it's just like oil controlling, just right here. So it says for oily and combination skin, and just right over here it says controls oil, mattifies, and reduces the appearance of pores. I need that. This is the Find Your Balance Oil Control Cleanser, and this is the Balancing Force Oil Control Toner, Counterbalance Oil Control Hydrator. So I've also got like a hydrator, which to me in my mind means like moisturizer. So now that I have these products, I want to try them out, and I'm just wanting to see if it makes a difference. Like if I wake up in like 7 days and my skin looks less oily than it does in the morning, that would be awesome. So that is my Sephora haul. I got a bunch of really good new stuff. One of the things I'm most excited about using from this haul is the Pat McGrath Omi lipstick. You guys, it's such a pretty rose color. Did I wipe it off? No, it's right here. Oh, I cannot wait to use this. I mean, for fall, like, I'm just sure that this color is gonna go with so many eye looks that I do. Now that I have the items, it says to me that these are for a more fair toned person, and that's okay, you know, because obviously I'm wearing a lipstick right now that would work on a fair toned person. I don't mind using fair toned people items. I'm just gonna get creative with it the way I normally do with everything else that I have. I really want these to moisturize my lips and satisfy me. So I will be updating you guys on that. All right guys, so that is my whole haul from Sephora. I've got one box down. Looks like 3 more packages to go, but I will save those for a different video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you, I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.